Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Ali J, and I was getting ready. As you guys can see, I'm currently going to my lash appointment, and this will be a prepare with me vlog. I'm currently preparing for vacation, so come along with me. And yeah, I'm running like a minute late. I wouldn't say a minute, I'm gonna say 10 minutes because I wanted to stop at the bank, but I'm not gonna be able to, so we're gonna have to pay that $2 fee, okay? So I am currently heading to my lash appointment. It's at 10 o'clock. The current time is 9:35, and then I'm gonna go do my hair after, so I'll be gone all day. I was leaving just now and Azim was crying. My baby was crying for me. So if I finish my lash appointment before my hair appointment, then I probably go early to my hair appointment if she's available. But yeah, guys, when I get there, I'm gonna see if I could get a little snippet of when I'm doing it. A lot of people don't like when you video, so I'm gonna see if I could get a little. Turn right. Yeah. See you guys soon. Bye. Guys, so I gotta like every time I do my lash, I gotta let it grow on me, okay? So this is the after. And she did a little bottom lash stuff. I've never tried bottom lashes, but my birthday's coming up, so we're gonna try stuff, okay? But I look like I was asleep, but it's cool or whatever. So now I got like an hour to do my hair, so I'm gonna try and get something to eat. So, but yeah, let me know in the comments how you like my lashes. If it's too much, it's too late, so but yeah, I'm gonna try to find something to eat. Bye. Thank you. Eyelash. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's not too much. You're welcome. It fits you. When you come back. And then the black ear. You're popping. Okay, guys, I am back. So, what you're gonna do? That's another story time, okay? So my hair's not done, so I'm gonna do my hair. I was originally supposed to do my hair, and I'll be find somebody, and it never worked out. So I'm gonna do my hair. My eyes look dark, but we'll figure that out later. But as you can see behind me, I have my phone set up on the TV. So I saw this hack that you put your phone here. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys. Put your phone here, screen mirror it, and put it on the TV. So that's what I'm gonna be doing to get the parts in the back of my head, right? So I'm gonna try this out, and yeah, my phone is right there, and then y'all could see me on the TV right here. So yeah, I'm gonna try it and come back to know. Good morning, guys. I'm a bit late to my nails appointments, but the hair is done. I put some oil in there this morning, so that should be good. And then later I might put the rods on the ends of the twist and just curl them up so they're not straight, so they can blend in with the curls. I'll see you guys when I get to the nail salon. Oh, I can see my nails there.
Finally.
Shoot.
Finally. Mind y'all business. Now I'll show them your nail beds. Now look at them nails.
Mommy, are you gonna put nail polish on them?
Yeah. I'm getting purple.
Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button below. I'm looking crazy, right?
Yeah, so she look creepy.
Yeah. Cause look at those marks on my skin. Huh?
That's not
So what do you say about the results?
You'll see the results later.
Okay, now you can pause it.
put your hand there and then press it down.
Okay, I'm gonna get your color.
Oh, this one? This side?
Mommy, thank you, Mommy.
Huh? Is it? Okay, guys, so y'all know I got the nails. It's like purple. But look what I did with my nails. Like, how cute. This is cute. Nice. You like it here?
Yeah, let's show them my toes.
Oh, this is Azzy's toes. This is my toes. And yeah, on to the barbering job. I'm gonna finish this head stuff.